The sky used to be a simple place, not anymore. Now it's a high-tech battleground where victory goes to the swift, the stealthy, and the smart. India is rolling out a new champion. Meet the CATS Warrior, a game-changing UCAV. This isn't just another drone, it's the future of combat. India's military is a major player. With the CATS Warrior, India races ahead. It's about changing how wars are fought and won, a testament to Indian engineering and ambition. This is about national pride and technological power. So, what makes this new bird so special? Let's talk tech. The CATS Warrior packs a serious punch. It's designed to carry a variety of precision-guided munitions, making it a nightmare for enemy ground targets. But it's more than just a flying bomb truck. This thing is smart. We're talking advanced AI that allows the CATS Warrior to make decisions on the fly, adapt to changing situations, and even learn from its experiences. This isn't your grandpa's drone that needs a joystick jockey for every move. This is a new breed of warrior, capable of operating with a high degree of autonomy. But don't worry, we're not talking about Skynet here. The CATS Warrior is designed with robust human oversight, ensuring that critical decisions remain in human hands. Think of it as a highly skilled wingman, capable of taking on dangerous tasks and providing critical support to manned aircraft. In the world of modern warfare, if they can see you, they can shoot you. That's where the CATS Warrior's stealth capabilities come in. This thing is designed to be practically invisible to enemy radar, slipping through defenses like a phantom. It's like a ninja, but with jet engines and missiles. This stealthiness isn't just about looking cool, although it does that too. It's about survivability. The harder it is for the enemy to find the CATS Warrior, the longer it stays in the fight, and the more damage it can inflict. This stealth capability is a game changer for the Indian Air Force. It allows them to project power deep into enemy territory, striking high-value targets with pinpoint accuracy, all while minimizing the risk to their pilots. Talk about a force multiplier. Speaking of force multipliers, that's exactly what the CATS Warrior is. It allows the Indian Air Force to do more with less, stretching their capabilities further than ever before. Imagine a fleet of these clearing a path for manned fighters, taking out enemy radar installations, and softening defenses. The CATS Warrior acts as the eyes and ears of the battlefield, providing real-time intelligence. And because it's unmanned, it can take on missions too risky for human pilots. This means operating in contested airspace, gathering intel, and conducting combat operations. Now, some folks might think that the rise of unmanned systems like the CATS Warrior means the end of the fighter pilot. But that couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, the CATS Warrior is specifically designed to work hand in hand with manned aircraft, creating a powerful synergy between human and machine. Think of it like this. The CATS Warrior is the perfect wingman, capable of handling the dirty work, taking on dangerous tasks, and providing critical support to its human counterparts. This allows human pilots to focus on what they do best: strategic decision-making, complex maneuvers, and engaging in those crucial moments where human intuition and experience are irreplaceable. This human-machine teaming concept is the future of aerial warfare. It's about leveraging the strengths of both humans and machines to create a force that's greater than the sum of its parts. And the CATS Warrior is at the forefront of this revolution. The CATS Warrior isn't just a cool new piece of hardware. It's a symbol of India's commitment to staying ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving landscape of modern warfare. This is about investing in the future, developing cutting-edge technologies, and ensuring that India's armed forces have the tools they need to deter aggression and defend their interests. The future of warfare is unmanned, or at least it's heading that way. And with the CATS Warrior, India is positioning itself to be a leader in this new era of aerial combat. This is a story about technological innovation, strategic thinking, and a commitment to staying one step ahead in a world where the only constant is change. Keep an eye on the skies, because the CATS Warrior is coming, and it's bringing the future of warfare with it.